Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want a brighter smile, stronger teeth, and healthy gums, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to whiten your teeth naturally and protect them from long-term damage using proven dentist-recommended techniques. So let's get started. What causes yellow teeth? Before whitening, we need to understand the real reasons why teeth become yellow. There are two main causes: staining on the outside surface, from coffee, tea, soda, smoking, and sugar enamel thinning, which exposes the yellow dentin underneath. So whitening is not only about color, it's about protecting your enamel too. Tip number 1, brush the right way. Most people brush wrong, too fast, too hard, or not long enough. Here's the correct method. Brush twice a day. Use a soft toothbrush. Brush in gentle circular motions. Spend 2 minutes brushing. Don't forget the tongue and gum line. Harsh brushing, castor enamel damage. Pulse sensitivity. Gentle brushing. Clean and bright smile. Tip number 2, use dentist-approved whitening. Natural whiteners are great, but only when used properly. Safe options: fluoride toothpaste, whitening toothpaste with peroxide, coconut oil pulling, 3-5 minute or not too long, hydrogen peroxide only if balanced, not pure. Avoid overusing. Baking soda every day can scratch enamel. Strong whitening strips constantly. DIY TikTok hacks, they damage teeth. Remember, whitening slowly, whitening safely. Tip number 3, your diet matters. Some foods protect your smile: apples, carrots, celery, cheese, yogurt, water. They help clean teeth, strengthen enamel, and prevent stains. Foods that stain teeth quickly: coffee, tea, soda, energy drinks, chocolate, smoking, vape. If you drink coffee or dark drinks, use a straw rinse with water after. Don't sip slowly all day. Finish fast. Tip number 4, floss and mouthwash. Brushing cleans only 60% of your teeth. Floss cleans the rest, especially between teeth. Use floss once a day. Use mouthwash to reduce bacteria, but don't use alcohol-based mouthwash every day. Dries mouth and hurts enamel. Tip number 5, see your dentist. Professional cleaning removes stuff you can't remove at home. Recommended: visit every 6 months. Early care: no pain, no expensive treatment. Final advice: a bright smile isn't magic, it's a daily routine. Brush right, floss daily, drink water, avoid sugar and soda. Professional checkups. Your smile is the first thing people notice. Take care of it, and it will take care of you.